Yeah, Josh, we've been seeing these storms moving through. There's been this one little batch that I told you I keep watching. It's right on that Monongalia, West Virginia and Greene County line. So south of Waynesburg, it's this little line of storms here. There's been a couple little spots that try to show that they're trying to get some of that rotation going. This has been an area that's had it. It's a spot I'm going to continue to watch here. So some light change up in the atmosphere, a light twist trying to show up with these storms that are moving through Blacksville right now. And I say storms, but this evening and this late afternoon has been just really interesting because we're pumping out tornado warned storms with no lightning or thunder, and these are still even causing some damage. The other big thing we have going on is a flash flood warning that continues until 8:15. This is for southern Allegheny County, Sutersville, up to pretty much Monroeville, and then all the way back towards Robinson to South Fayette, Bethel Park included. Just keep in mind that if you do come across water that's still trying to drain out of this area, turn around, don't drown. We've had some big time rain totals to the tune of 1 to 2.5 inches come down in this spot over the past couple of days. Not yesterday, but the day before. We had some incredible rain falling down in this area, so there was a lot of ground saturation to begin with. And the good news is the heaviest rain, we're looking at the rain rates here. This tells us how much rain or how fast the rain is coming down is outside of that area. So that's what you want to see in a situation like this. So we should start seeing some marked improvements from Pittsburgh south through the South Hills. So that should be getting better. Some of the worst storms right now are just clipping that northern part of Somerset County and are going to move on towards Altoona. But it was an afternoon and evening here. 3 tornadoes. We have one down near Elizabeth, Lincoln area, El Rama. You go to North Huntington. There was one reported there. There was a funnel cloud near Plum. There was a funnel cloud and a tornado out towards areas of Highland Park. And that Highland Park tornado is getting surveyed by the National Weather Service tonight. And that's where they determine, one, if it was in fact a tornado, which it likely was from everything I'm seeing from that area. Then they determine how strong the winds were and assign it its Fujita scale rating or enhanced Fujita scale rating. The other 2 tornadoes that we had confirmed, those are likely going to be surveyed tomorrow by the National Weather Service. So Westmoreland County, Southern Allegheny County, that is you. You'll get that information likely later tomorrow. But the one in Highland Park, that is being surveyed tonight, so hopefully we can get some of that information tonight. So we have these storms moving out. There's still a little lightning and thunder back in Ohio. Some guys popping up over there. As the sun sets this evening, those should lose a little bit of their intensity and move on. But we'll still have some of these spotty showers around, I think, especially through tomorrow morning. And then the clouds start to break up. And we deserve a treat of a weekend, and mostly that's going to start to unfold. Now, Saturday afternoon, we're going to break into some sun. That said, that sun could drive some of that moisture up into the atmosphere and squeeze out some rain or a thunderstorm. So something we're watching for tomorrow. But the other thing is Sunday, I think it gets better. And Monday and Tuesday, if you like summer, you're going to love how next week starts off. So tonight, this is the worst part of the forecast, if you ask me, and we've gone through the worst of it, and we still have a little more to go through. 58 with scattered thunderstorms still around tonight. We get to tomorrow, we bring in some sunshine later. So early showers, break up the clouds. From there, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we get some 80s and sunnier skies. I think we might still see a stray shower Sunday, but more sunshine than not. And then the second half of next week, we get unsettled again.